Bitcoin trades above $40,000, Ether stays below $2,300. Tesla's Bitcoin holdings remain unchanged in Q4. Bitwise becomes first spot Bitcoin ETF provider to provide wallet address. SEC pushes decision on BlackRock spot Ethereum ETF to March. Sygnum Bank hits $900 million valuation, signaling confidence in crypto banking. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets entered recovery mode after having succumbed to liquidation pressure, partly triggered by unwinding of positions in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC. Bitcoin reclaimed the $40,000 mark. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 51,530 points. Meanwhile, the notional open interest or the dollar value logged in number of active Bitcoin futures contracts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange has dropped by nearly $1.5 billion in last 2 weeks due to long unwinding and entities using ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF or CME futures as a liquidity bridging vehicle. Interestingly, it is assumed that ETF participants may have bought Bitcoin before the spot Bitcoin ETF launch while simultaneously selling CME futures or BITO to hedge their risks. Well, what Grayscale is selling, the 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs issuers are accumulating. So far, they have bought more than 100,000 Bitcoin. On an interesting note, in the past 9 trading days, GBTC has witnessed an outflow of 106,092 Bitcoin, worth approximately $4.4 billion. Now, another interesting update is of Tether. The stablecoin has achieved a milestone. Its market cap has reached $100 billion mark. In separate news, IOTA and Open and Value Transfer Protocols price surged around 15% after founder Dominic Schreiner announced the release of IOTA Ethereum virtual machine in March, marking a significant milestone for blockchain community and the IOTA ecosystem. Well, the global crypto market cap was at $1.56 trillion mark, increasing 0.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 28% to $49 billion. Shiba Inu has seen a 4,200% increase in token burn activity within a 24-hour window, resulting in the removal of 15.72 million SHIB tokens. Satoshi VM, a Bitcoin Layer 2 project, has seen a significant gain and price drops with the biggest hit since its inception. Interestingly, whales are accumulating SAVM tokens despite the recent price crash. One whale spent $200,000 on Tether tokens to buy 24,940 SAVM, reports highlighted. Well, with growing adoption and new product launches suggest a vibrant underlying tone, and the upcoming events such as halving and upgrades will only boost investor sentiments, analysts believe. US stock futures traded flat as investors focused on fourth quarter gross domestic product report. Futures tied to the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures traded near the flat line, while Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 0.21%. Bitcoin was trading at $40,030, down by 0.1%. Ethereum or ETH, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.7%, trading at $2,022. Well, BNB was down by 1.3% to trade at $289. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 0.4% to trade at $0.47. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $30.3, lower by 2.5%, and Polygon Matic was trading down by 0.6% to trade at $0.72. If we talk about Doge, the popular meme coin was trading down by 2.5% at $0.077, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 1%. Talking about 666RP token, it traded at $0.51, down by 0.5%. However, Solana Sol was up by 0.6% and was trading at $87.2. And Polkadot was up by 0.4% to trade at $6.4.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin holding of electric car manufacturer Tesla remained unchanged in Q4 2023 according to the latest earnings report released on Wednesday. The quarterly report did not mention Bitcoin, implying that the firm did not buy or sell any Bitcoin in the 3 months ended September. The holdings are valued at $387 million at current prices. Tesla holds over 9,720 BTC according to data tracked by Bitcoin Treasuries and is the third largest public holder of the asset behind software firm MicroStrategy and mining player Marathon. The Elon Musk-led company invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin in February 2021, accumulating some 43,000 BTC. In the same month, Tesla said it would begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. However, it started to sell its holdings later that year to maximize its cash position amid uncertainties related to COVID lockdowns. In Q2 2022, it reported selling 75% of its Bitcoin holdings. Crypto asset manager Bitwise on Wednesday became the first of the 10 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund issuer to share its digital wallet address with the public. The San Francisco-based firm tweeted a screenshot showing the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF's Bitcoin address along with holdings of 11,858 Bitcoins as of January 23rd. Anyone can now verify the fund's holdings and flows directly on the blockchain, said the company. It remains to be seen what lies ahead for Bitcoin, but industry experts for now are applauding the move by Bitwise. The United States securities regulator has pushed back its decision on BlackRock's proposed spot Ether exchange-traded fund a day ahead of the deadline, citing the need for more time to review the proposed rule change. The Commission finds it appropriate to designate a longer period within which to take action on the proposed rule change, the Securities and Exchange Commission's Assistant Secretary Sherry Haywood explained in a January 24th filing. The SEC made the delay 1 day ahead of the January 25th deadline. It is the first of several delays the SEC can exercise across a 240-day period. This first deadline comes nearly 45 days after Nasdaq filed for an iShare Ethereum trust on December 11th. While the SEC must make a final decision on BlackRock's spot Ether ETF decision by August 7th, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas has predicted a final decision will be made on all pending spot Ether ETFs in May, similar to the way the SEC decided on 10th pending spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th. Switzerland-based crypto banking group Sygnum has successfully closed a $40 million funding round, elevating the firm's valuation to an impressive $900 million. The investment was led by Azimuth Holdings, a prominent investment manager. The newly acquired funds are earmarked for the expansion of Sygnum's offerings into untapped markets in Europe and Asia. This move aligns with the company's commitment to become a global player in the crypto banking space. Sygnum had previously closed a $90 million funding round in January 2022, valuing the firm at $800 million. Since then, the bank has experienced significant growth, with its asset under management reaching $4 billion and a client base exceeding 1,700 from more than 60 countries. Now let's go to Shubham Joshi to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Well, let's move on to the buzzing coins of the day. DogeCoin. The crypto market has seen a significant turnaround in the past 24 hours, with Bitcoin and Ethereum reaching multi-week high and lows and other cryptocurrencies experiencing double-digit percentage declines. However, the DogeCoin meme coin on the Solana blockchain has soared over 56% in the past few hours, capturing the crypto community's attention. Despite a 60% correction, the meme token has found solid ground at $0.21 and has since rebounded by 56%. This surge catapulted it to the first place of the top 200 crypto market performance. However, the coin was trading at $0.35, up 10% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list is IOTA. IOTA founder Dominic Shiner has announced the release of IOTA Ethereum Virtual Machine on March 31, 2024, marking a significant milestone for the blockchain community and the IOTA ecosystem. IOTA is always set to become a Layer 1 protocol with EVM integration, allowing projects like Sunaverse to work with other EVM-compatible decentralized applications. The latest version includes improvements such as fixed Docker network test framework, additional explanatory comments, streamlined confirmation processes, a new CI workflow, and optimizations for tagged data. The coin was trading at $0.24, up 15% in the last 24 hours. Moving on, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency, has seen a 4,200% increase in the token burn activity within the 24-hour window, resulting in the removal of 15.72 million Shiba tokens. This comes as the ecosystem undergoes significant developments, including a new strategy to accelerate token elimination. In the month of December 2023, 3 significant burned events destroyed 25 billion Shiba Inu tokens, highlighting the need for a more efficient token management approach. However, this coin was trading at 0.82% down in the last 24 hours. Next on the list is Satoshi VM. Satoshi VM, a Bitcoin Layer 2 project, has seen significant gains and price drops with the biggest hit since its inception. Well, whales are accumulating SAVM tokens despite the recent price crash. One whale spent $200,000 on Tether tokens to buy 24,940 SAVM tokens valued at $8, while another whale used $50,000 tokens to acquire 7,543 SAVM valued at $6.63. Well, this highlights the ongoing buy the dip trend in the crypto industry. The token was trading at $8, down 23% in the last 24 hours. Well, last on the list is Gala Music Token. Elbang Exchange listed Gala Music Token today marked a significant move for the cryptocurrency and mobile technology enthusiasts. Gala Music is a blockchain-based decentralized platform on Gala chain offering a unique music experience with control and transparency for the artist. It rewards fan engagement with perks, incentives, and the music token, which can be used for exclusive access and merchandise. The platform aims to address traditional issues like restrictive contracts and limited artist-fan interactions. Well, the token was trading at $0.16, up 11% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3watchtv.io or scan the QR code.